channel, Beauty by Nita, and today we're going to talk about the importance of lip color. And this is super, super important when we're wanting to have the full look of course, your everyday glam. Because there's no point in walking around with just eye makeup with no lips on. So lip is actually really important, and we have two new products that just came out with Mary Kay, from Mary Kay. And one of them is our new Velvet Lip Crayon. So what I love to do with this new Velvet Lip Crayon is I like to use it as a lip liner. And then I color in the lips. And then we can do one of our regular line lipsticks or our liquid matte lip color that came out a few months ago. So the great thing about Mary Kay is we're always coming out with new colors, and this is a color that we got probably about 6 months ago. So I'm going to start with my lip crayon as a lip liner. And then I'm going to color it in. So this is a pretty neutral pink. So I'm going to color it in. And the great thing about our colors is I could just leave it like this. But I'm going to go ahead and add this liquid lip color to it, because this liquid lip color will actually stay on all day. It's going to give it a little bit more staying power. This is the finished lip look. As you can tell, because I did the lip liner, I made the lips look a little bit more full. And then because I used my liquid matte color, it's going to stay on all day. And I'm going to be finished instead of halfway finished with just my eyes, because a finished look always is your eyes and your lips. So if you wanted to add maybe a little bit more of a shimmer to it, you could add one of our lip glosses. We have lip gloss, lots of lip gloss with Mary Kay. And I am going to add a lip gloss because I just want a little bit of a shimmer after the matte. This way I'm adding like that glossy look, because personally I like the glossy look. I know everybody has their own opinion, but I like the glossy look because it just makes my lips feel more moisturized, quite honestly. Being here in Colorado, we definitely need that. So I added the Pink Ballerina, I think that's the color. Yes, the Pink Ballerina Lip Gloss to my liquid lip color and my lip crayon. So I'm all done.